everybody, I'm Regina Falango. I'm going to show you how to use Gilter in this new collection, Forest Jump. Um, this is my new collection with forests and animals. And for this collection, I use watercolor elements and to put a little light in this kit. I have made glitters and I show you a new way to use these glitters and the classic way. So I'm love and I am in love with this collection and I draw little landscapes to make scenery with the animals. We are going to show you how I work with the glitters. Uh, you have many possibilities with this kit. I made composition easy to use and clusters and a little pack to play with the landscape. You can imagine all the little scene you want, accent and so. I'm going to start the tutorial to use glitters. First you have to upload the glitters, and for that you go in glitters box and click in the icon here and upload the styles. My Photoshop is in French, but you have the same here, and you're going to take the glitters. I have already made it up here, and voila, you can start to play with the glitters. So I take you can use the glitter anyway in the landscape or papers or elements. Up. I'll take this. If you have a tablet graphic and the stylus is more easy to draw a little detail, but you have many ways to put glitters. The first is it's drawing with the brush. You have always to create a new layer to not draw in the first layer. Choose a black color to see your draw and choose the brush you want. If you want to create little detail or large and you start to draw. It's more easy with stylus and tablet graphic than the mouse, but I'm going to show you how to use more easily these glitters. Hello. Oh my god. Up. When you're finished your drawing what you want, you are going to in the style window and choose the color what you want. It's a classic way to use glitters. You can change the color. Is the first way to use. Now I'm going to show you another way to use. Up. And I like very much this way. You have to keep this layout, duplicate and delete to have this layout free to use in copy. we are going to work with the selection tool here, the baguette magique in French. And you choose to can click many times in this box, and here you uncheck this box to select all the same color in your page. You see all is selected. So you have two way to use. You can do addition copier, paste, and now special paste here in the same place. So you have a layer with the pink detail, and now you can choose your color. It's easy. You can do another selection and choose green. Here, this green. Same way, copy, paste special in the same place, create a new layer, green, and you can put your color what you want. Black is not very nice, green. You have another way to use this filter if you don't want copy paste and you are not sure of your selection. I show you with another example. I am working on a layout made with just a cluster with a little hamster. And I'm going to put a little light in this layout. Click on the background. I'm going to show the green, and this green, and another. It's too much. The yellow. It's another too much. It's red. You can copy paste because you see you not have the selection what you want. No matter. We are going to show you how to choose the place where you are going to put the guilt. It's very difficult for me to find the words to speak correctly. Sorry. I create a new layer and I'm going to paint in this layer. I keep black to see where I'm going to paint. Up, little here, a little here, little here. Voila. And you go to the style and choose the color. This. You create a new layer for new color. And you fetch same thing with the black. The black, up, A little black here. Don't draw on the baby, please. Up. And the shoes. Another green yellow. Voilà. It's very fun to play with this kit. I'm going to show you a sample example to very fun to play with. Ah. You can put animals in the little scenery, and I have hidden the wall behind the tree. Just cut them. You can draw what you want in the scene. Voilà. The animals have a party last night. I draw a little light. All the items can be have glitters on it. A tool shows yellow. A new layer, and you draw on the new layer. Or just with this tool, but it's more you can and I put oops, voilà. I hope you my English is not so bad and you can understand what I say. The last example, I love this paper. Up, I select the dark color, new layer. You can take this tool or the pencil. Up, or just click into here. And now I love the glitter on the watercolor background. Et voilà. Thank you very much for for listen. I don't know how to say you thank you to listen my video. Have fun. Bye bye.